Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to apply for a USA student visa in 2025 step by step. So if you are planning to study in United States, here is exactly what you need to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually, first of all, you just need to follow this step, that is get accepted by a SEBP approval school. First thing first, you must be accepted by a SEBP approved school or university. Once you are accepted, like you are looking for master's or bachelor in Cambridge, so you just need to be apply onto the Cambridge platform, University of Cambridge, for your study. So here Cambridge is a United Kingdom university. So here you just need to be apply for your offer letter. Once you get the offer letter, then you will pay your tuition fee, and then you will get swift copy from your bank, and then you just need to be like, once you have accepted, your school will send you a form called the I-20. If you are planning like applying for an F1 visa for academic studies or M1 visa for vocational studies, double check all the info on your I-20. Your name, dates and program must match your passport exactly, and then you just need to be pay the service fee. Like next, you will need to pay your service 1901 fee. This keeps your record active in the student and exchange visitor information system. So here you can read whole overview, then you will understand the process, how easy the process was. Here you can see how to apply. There is a couple of things we have. Let's go visit this website, and here let's click, like I am from Bangladesh, so I will click to the Bangladesh, find your country to area. Then in country area, here this is the embassy address we already get. This is the Medina Avenue, Baridara, and here we just need to go and talk to them. Then when like as of 2025, the fee is usually 350 USD for F1 student. Keep your payment confirmation, you will need it for your visa interview. So now you just need to complete the DS-160 form. Now fill out the DS-160 form. Like here, let's search for DS-160 form, and here actually you will get this one, online nominating visa application. So here you just need to fill up the form. So the official online nominating visa application, you will find it this option. So here you can see, this is the link I will provide in the description. So here fill it out here carefully. This form asks about your travel plans, school info and background. Once done, save the confirmation page. You will need to bring it to your interview. Now you just need to be in this step, do schedule and prepare for your visa pre-interview. Next, pay the visa application fee around 185 USD in 2025, and schedule your interview at the nearest US embassy of consultant. At your interview, bring your valid password, then your I-20 form must be, then service fee receipt, and then DS-16 confirmation page, and then visa fee receipt, and also any financial proof that shows you can pay for tuition fee and living expense in United States, and then any transcript or test scores your school used to accept you. It's called offer letter sometimes. Then you just need to attend the interview and wait for your visa. After the interview, the officer will ask about your study plans, your school, and how you will pay for everything. Answer confidently and honestly. If approved, they will keep your passport to issue your visa, which usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks. I hope understand, and now you know how easy the process was. Now you can easily do it your work by your own, and you can apply for your study visa on United States. And that's it, how to apply for USA student visa in 2024. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple guides, and drop any questions in the comments. Good luck with your studies. See you in the next video.